How to dial letters on iPhone phone app. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you're here, go to the keypad tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, you will see numbers with letters on them. Here, you can tap on numbers that include letters, and it will register the number as letters, often known as phone words. To demonstrate, open an app like Notes and copy a phone word to your clipboard. Now, return to the phone app's keypad. Tap and hold the display area at the top where numbers are shown. A paste option will appear. Go ahead and tap on it. The iPhone will automatically convert the letters into their corresponding numbers from the keypad. Following these steps, you can easily dial letters on an iPhone phone app. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.